Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. To algo or not to algo, that is the question. Today, I'm diving into a hidden gem in the crypto world. Algorand, or ALGO for short. This is not financial advice. Now imagine ALGO's fundamentals as the sturdy foundation of a house built by none other than the brainy architect Silvio Micali, a Turing Award-winning MIT professor. Algorand isn't just another blockchain. It's a layer 1 blockchain, meaning it's the base layer for apps and transactions, not some sidekick riding on someone else's coattails. ALGO is designed to solve the blockchain trilemma, balancing speed, security, and decentralization like a superhero juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle. And boy does it deliver on speed. We're talking 2.8-second block times and instant finality. It's like the Usain Bolt of blockchains. Zoom, done. And if you're into green vibes, ALGO's got you covered. It's carbon negative, sipping electricity like a hipster sipping an oat milk latte, unlike Bitcoin's coal-powered monster truck. It's tech, pure proof of stake, PPOS. A fancy way of saying it's secure without needing miners to solve math puzzles all day. It's like a democratic election where everyone gets a vote but no one's camping out with pickaxes. Real-world use? Over 2.68 billion transactions and 46 million plus blocks processed with zero downtime. Imagine a bank that never closes, never crashes, and never makes you wait in line. That's ALGO for you. And it powers decentralized apps, dApps, DeFi, and even real-world assets like tokenized houses or art. It's the Swiss Army knife of crypto. So why is ALGO undervalued? It's like finding a vintage sports car at a garage sale. The engine purrs, but no one's bidding yet. Maybe it's not loud and flashy like meme coins, looking at you, Dogecoin. Switching gears to analytics. ALGO's price hit an all-time high of $2.64 back in November 2021. But today, it's hovering around 25 cents, 30 cents. That's a 90% drop from its peak. Ouch. It's like a roller coaster that forgot to go back up. Recent posts on X suggest ALGO's stuck in a descending triangle, a chart pattern that's basically an uh-oh signal for bulls. The RSI is dipping toward oversold territory, and the MACD is flashing red. Translation? The market's feeling grumpy, like a bear who missed his morning coffee. Trading volume's decent but not explosive, around $34K processed in 3 seconds recently. It's active, but not the belle of the ball. Sentiment shows ALGO's price isn't matching its tech prowess. It's like a Michelin star chef serving gourmet meals at fast food prices. The value's there, but the crowd's still munching on fries elsewhere. ALGO's reputation has had more ups and downs than a soap opera. From its 2019 launch to its 2021 peak, to the 2022 crash, and mixed sentiment today. It's like ALGO's the reliable friend who's always there but never gets the spotlight. So, fundamentals versus analytics, it's a tug of war. The fundamentals say, I'm a tech marvel. Fast, green, useful, invest in me. The analytics counter, yeah, but the market's snoozing on you, bro. Price is flat, momentum's meh. My take? The fundamentals win long term. ALGO's tech is legit, and as real-world adoption grows, it could shine. But short-term, the market's not vibing yet. It's a classic buy low, wait for the world to catch up setup. So, ready to bet on this quiet genius? ALGO's not sexy right now, but it's got the brains to go big. Just don't expect a Lambo tomorrow. Think more reliable sedan that turns heads in 5 years. What do you think? Ready to bet on the quiet genius?